Please settle down, everyone. Before starting the event, may I please request everyone to stand for the national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Ladies and gentlemen, as they say, milestones are an important way of looking at the past with gratitude, the present with appreciation, and the future with a lot of hope. Today, we have gathered here for the listing of equity shares of Kalyani Castech Limited. Kalyani is a manufacturer of cargo containers. The company is promoted by Mr. Naresh Kumar, Mr. Javed Aslam, Mr. Nathmal Bangani, Ms. Kamla Kumari Jain, and Ms. Muskan Bangani. Today, on this very momentous occasion of the listing, we would like to welcome various dignitaries who have joined us and would request following people to felicitate our dignitaries. Can I please request Ms. Sheetal Bangani to come on stage? Ma'am, this way. I would now like to call upon our chief guest, Mr. Sameer Patil, Chief Business Officer of BSE. Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to call upon stage Ms. Jayashree Kumar to felicitate Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head of SME and Startup Platform of BSE. I would request Ms. Sumbul Khan to come and felicitate Mr. Naresh Kumar, Promoter and Managing Director of Kalyani Castech Limited. Ms. Muskan Bangani to come and felicitate Mr. Javed Aslam, Promoter of Kalyani Castech Limited. Ms. Farha Khan to come and facilitate Mr. Jay Bangani, Member of Promoter Group of Kalyani Castech Limited. Ms. Shraddha Parak to come and facilitate Mr. Alok Harlalka, Managing Director of Britex Corporate Services Limited. Thank you so much, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, we now commence this auspicious occasion by lighting of the ceremonial lamp. I would like to invite all the dignitaries to please come on the stage to light the ceremonial lamp.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
I would like to request all the family members to please join.
नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः ब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश्च मतिं स्वच्छां हि मे सदा शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्
Thank you so much, everyone. Lighting of the lamp makes a remarkable, prosperous beginning of Kalyani Castech Limited. Now moving forward, I would like to invite on stage our chief guest, Mr. Samil Patil, to say a few words.
गुड मॉर्निंग। सबसे पहले फेस्टिव सीजन्स और दीपावली की सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। सॉरी फॉर माय वॉइस, आई एम नॉट कीपिंग वेल, आई एम रनिंग, आई एम हैविंग वायरल टुडे। Respected dignitaries on the dais, ladies and gentlemen, Shri Naresh Kumar, Promoter and Managing Director, Kalyani Castech Limited, Shri Javed Aslam, Promoter, Kalyani Castech Limited, Shri Jay Bangani, Member of Promoter Group, Kalyani Castech Limited, Shri Alok Harlalka, Managing Director, Greatex Corporate Services Limited, and my colleague Shri Ajay Thakur. A very good morning to everyone present at the BSc International Convention Center as we celebrate the equity listing of Kalyani Castech. BSc provides a very efficient and transparent market for trading in bouquet of products like equity, debt, currency, commodity, mutual funds, insurance and stock borrowing and lending. BSc has played a very prominent role in developing the Indian capital market by being Asia's first exchange and the world's fastest exchange with a response time of 6 microseconds. BSc puts forward a strong and robust platform for its over 14.8 crore investors to trade in a highly secure and reliable environment that offers enhanced liquidity, diversity of participants, innovative technology and trustworthy clearing services. Listing on the exchange helps company to move forward, open new avenues and opportunities for growth, as seen from the over 4,000 companies listed on the BSc platform, making it the world's largest in terms of listed companies. I congratulate the management of Kalyani Castech, merchant bankers and everyone involved with this issue for a successful listing as they forge forward in their business. I welcome Kalyani Castech in the BSc SMA family. It is the 463rd company being listed on the BSc SME platform. We are confident that by listing on the BSc, Kalyani Castech will not only be able to enhance its visibility and profile, but also broaden its investor base, which we hope will support its business expansion plans. BSc looks forward to continuing being Kalyani Castech preferred fundraising partner as it expands its reach and grows in scale. We look forward to a long and fruitful relationship in the years to come. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. I would now like to invite on stage Mr. Naresh Kumar, Promoter and Managing Director of Kalyani Castech Limited, to share with us his journey.
Sri Samir Patil ji, Chief Guest for this function, Mr. Thakur, Guest of Honor, Alok ji from Greatex and his team, Kalyani promoters, Javed Aslam, Nathmal ji, Kamla Jain ji, Muskan ji, our valued investors, our vendors, our customers, my full family, wife, brother, and my nephews, all the stakeholders and all family members, ladies and gentlemen. This was a tryst with destiny a decade back, and this has been fulfilled today. It's a great day for us. I dedicate this day for all the laborers, staff, vendors who has worked with us. Their entirely hard work with honesty has helped us a lot and brought us into the very top companies who are in the business. I thank you and salute to them for their all efforts. This journey has got some important dates and some important people association. 7th January 1991, I joined Railways as a Class 1 officer. Exactly after 17 years, 17th of January 2008, I resigned from Railways for a more struggleful life and left the cozy life which was available to me. 18th March 2014, we started a very humble beginning by a steel foundry, very small entity. July 7th, 2008, there was a very memorable day for me, for all of us connected with the company. We started a new operation in India, double stack dwarf container train, which has been started for the first time in the world. And with that, our new type of journey has started. We have diversified into the container manufacturing sector. On 25th December 2018, we have started this work to develop the factory as a container manufacturing factory. July 2019, we got our first order for manufacturing of the containers from our railway colleagues only, ex-colleagues, Pristine Logistics. From 2021, we started getting regular orders for the container because 1920 we lost due to COVID. On 20th December 2021, that is also a very important date for us, Minister for Railways, Mr. Asni Vaishnav, along with 200 railway officers, visited our factory and appreciated what kind of innovation work we are doing, especially for railway sector. That was a D-Day for us. 3rd August 2022, we are the first company in India who has got the export order for the cargo containers from a European shipping line. Generally, we have entered into a sector which is primarily dominated by Chinese companies. And with courage and hard work, we have took this challenge that we will manufacture in container and compete with Chinese factories. So we got that day, 3rd August 2022, and we got the export order also. Till date, we have manufactured almost 5,000 containers and mainly supplied to Indian companies. So we are the true ambassador of Atmanirbhar Bharat, vocal for local, for this government. And we have not only substituted this import segment for India, and we have exported also. This journey has been full of anxieties, struggle, challenges. But family members with my wife, brother, and their family stand like a rock with us and face every challenge with honesty and sincerity and hard work. Contribution of Mr. Jai Bangani, his family has been of great help. Mr. Jai Bangani has been associated with me from the initial struggle, and I salute him and his family. We have stand together so many challenges. When we diversified into the container business, another childhood friend, Javed, and his spouse, Mrs. Sumbul, they are present and witness to this ceremony. They have been of great help, and the company where we are standing, their contribution has been immense. I would like to, although Mr. Atul has not come, but we met Mr. Atul, he has come at that time. We have met him and his team. They have been the guiding soul behind this listing and IPO procedures and all. And through him we met Mr. Alok, MD and Chairman of Greatex, and his team, and with his efforts, the things have been implemented with great precision and time. I thank you so much. We are encouraged and humbled by the faith and the trust shown by our investors, and we pray to God that we will fulfill their aspiration from this company. I can assure you from my side, from my promoter's side, that every penny we have collected from this proceeds will be spent for the benefit of the country, company, and with this money, the company will create wealth not only for the country, for our stakeholders, for our workers, for all the vendors, suppliers connected with us. When we get money, there is a tendency of human beings that we want to spend more on ourselves. But when this kind of tendency generates in my mind or with me, with my family, I open my video of the company which is live, and I see this particular money, the respect, the credit we get is due to because of them. They are working day and night in all kind of weathers. I saw them on my video and I forgot this money is for them, not for me. Once again, I thank you all, BSc, Greatex, Mr. Atul, and all our stakeholders and investors. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful insight. I would now like to invite on stage Mr. Javed Aslam, promoter of Kalyani Castech, to share with us his journey.
Thank you so much. With my depth of my heart, I would like to welcome and express my gratitude to Mr. Samir Patel, today's chief guest, Mr. Ajay Thakur, Mr. Alok, Naresh ji, Jai ji, and Mr. Atul, who is here, all my family, friends, investors, who has shown confidence on us. As Naresh said very clearly, our journey was up and down. It was a roller coaster. And I would like to mention here that our principle, our strong ethics of the company brought everything out of that. And I can guarantee my investors, my friends, those who have shown confidence in us, that you will not be regret in investing our company. We'll put our best efforts to bring our company to the top. Naresh ji has mentioned very nicely everything, but let me complete it. We are not selling product only. We are creating market for that product also. We are selling ideas, and those ideas are forcing our clients to buy our product. And with similar approach, I am confident that our promoter, Mr. Naresh, Mr. Jay, and all the investors will be able to fetch more and more business for the company, and I can guarantee you that in coming time, we'll be on top of this industry. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. I would now like to invite on stage Mr. Jay Bangani, member of promoter group of Kalyani Castech, to share with us his journey.
Good morning to all. Shri Samir Patil ji, Ajay Thakur ji, my colleagues Naresh ji and Javed ji, and Alok ji. Thank you all to all the distinguished guests, my family members, friends, relatives, everybody to come here. Like all the companies, we also have our share of the tough times, and with the insight, with the vision of Naresh, we actually have come to this stage, and and also Javed bhai has also been commendable in his contribution to bring this company to this stage. And I would also like to thank Atul ji, who has been instrumental in making this company to this stage and going for the IPO and making it successful. And I would also like to be thankful to Alok ji and the entire Greatix team for this successful IPO and getting us to this stage. Thank you very much. Thank you all.
Now, the moment has finally come for which we all have gathered here. The historic moment when Kalyani Castech Limited will be listed on BSE. May I request all the dignitaries and family members to come on stage for the gong ringing ceremony. कैसे बात Please remain seated, everyone. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Thank you so much, everyone. We can continue the photo session after this. Please settle down. Now moving forward, I would like to invite on stage our guest of honor, Mr. Ajay Thakur, to say a few words.
Distinguished guests on the dais, Sri Naresh Kumarji, Promoter and Managing Director, Kalyani Castek, Mr. Javed Aslam, Promoter and Director, Mr. Jay Bangani, Promoter Director, Kalyani Castek, Mr. Samir Patil, Chief Business Officer and Chief Guest of the event, Mr. Alok Harlalka, Managing Director, GATEX Corporate Services. Distinguished guests, very good morning to all of you, and let me welcome you all on the eve of listing of Kalyani Castek, the 463rd company on the BSE SME platform. It gives us immense pleasure, and let me tell you with a lot of pride and honor that BSE became the first stock exchange in India to launch this SME platform in India. And today we are seeing a lot of emerging companies, lot of small and medium enterprises, which are the backbone of Indian economy, to get listed and coming along with their family members and enjoying these events in this great international convention hall of Bombay Stock Exchange. You people are sitting here. This has been a temple of wealth creation in this country. And today is the fifth largest stock exchange in the world. Not only that, today we are largest in terms of derivatives. We are doing 177 lakh crore of Sensex volume and 10 lakh crore of BankX volume. And we are seeing the business going up day after day. We have been the pioneer on many of the financial products. One was SME platform. Today we are seeing Kalyani Caustic getting listed. I have seen the price. It was 90% up pre-listing, and post-listing I think it's 100% up. We have gone through a very difficult path. You people are saying today whatever you are saying and whatever the investors' confidence today has come on the SME platform. For that, BSE has gone through very tough path. We have met almost more than 42,000 and 43,000 SMEs, and then we have been able to list here 463 companies, and many others are in pipeline. We have seen those days when there were no merchant bankers on the SME platform, and we kept on adding them one after another. So I can very proudly say that BSE SME platform was also a startup, but a very successful startup that has created huge wealth for the nation and for the development of a small and medium enterprise. Kalyani Caustic, of course, you are the 463rd. We also treat ourselves as an entrepreneur, because before launching this SME platform, there was no SME platform. So it has been our entrepreneurial journey only. And we always feel proud whenever new SME gets added up on our SME platform. So I am quite sure in the times to come, because you have moved from, I was listening to Naresh ji, and he was earlier in service, and after that he became promoter. Becoming an entrepreneur, I know how difficult it is to carry on the business in the initial stage when you are first generation entrepreneur. But let me assure you, from the BSE side, we always support the small and medium enterprises, their promoters and the merchant bankers. We have provided all sort of support, and I am quite sure in the times to come, Kalyani Caustic will become a large enterprise and maybe a blue chip company where many millions of employment get created. So I wish you all the best. Many new generation may keep on adding in your company, and you keep on growing. For us, it's like a festival whenever a SME gets listed. Our festival days are going on. So keep growing. Our best wishes to all of you. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful words. Moving ahead, I would now like to invite on stage Mr. Alok Harlalka to throw some light on the details of this issue.
Good morning, everyone. I welcome the Chief Business Officer, Mr. Samir Patil, as a chief guest. I also welcome Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head BSE and Startup from BSE, as a guest of honor. I also welcome the promoter and Managing Director of Kalyani, Mr. Naresh Kumar, also Mr. Javed Aslam, promoter, and Mr. Jay Banglani, member of promoter group, and my friends, colleagues from the promoter group of Kalyani and Gretex and guest. Friends, this is the pride moment that, as we all know, that company has already got listed. And so let me thanks one of my close colleague, friend you can say, none other than Mr. Atul Bora and Karan Atul Bora Because of them, today we are here and listed this company at BSE SME platform. So friends, I want to share the details of the issue as company has already listed. So the total number of shares has been issued in the IPO was 21,66,000 number of shares has got listed today, and the price band was 137 to 139, and the issue has got listed, allotment has been done at the price of 139. Issue size was 30.10 crore, and anchor portion was fully subscribed, that was 5,40,000 shares, but fortunately this oversubscribed by 1.20 times, and QIB's portion was 3,61,000 number of shares. And let me have big round of applause that issue has been, we have got an application of 2,39,53,000 number of shares. Application we have received for QIBs, that was 66.35 times. Again, another big round of applause that for HNI investors, subscription portion was 2,71,000 number of shares, and the bid has been received by 11,90,23,000 number of shares. So 439.20 times. Retail investor portion was 6,32,000 shares. Again, the big round of applause for them that 12,06,82,000 number of shares has been subscribed. So that was 190.95 times. So overall, the issues were subscribed more than 200 times except the anchor portion and the market maker portion. So friends, big round of applause for the entire investor and the promoter that issue has got oversubscribed. Now, I want to thanks to all the intermediaries who has been appointed for doing this IPO. Market maker was Greatex Share Broking Limited, underwriter was Greatex Corporate, registrar to the issue was Big Share Services Private Limited, legal advisor was MV Kinney Law Firm, statutory auditor was Goel Mintri and Associates, banker to the company was HDFC Bank, banker to the issue was ICICI Bank, and syndicate member was Greatex Share Broking. So friends, these are the information about this company, and I'm proud to see again that today after the listing, which was 90% premium listing was done, again the buying freeze is there with 277.30. So I hope with this performance of this company and the interest of the investor, but I can see that in the long way to go by this company, and definitely lot of investor or most of the investor will make money with this IPO. Thank you so much to all of you.
Thank you so much, sir. To move forward with, we would like to appreciate the work done by everyone by exchanging the mementos. I would request Mr. Ajay Thakur and Mr. Samir Patil to please come on stage to felicitate on behalf of BSE. I would request Mr. Naresh Kumar, Mr. Javed Aslam, Mr. Jay Bangani to come forward. Mr. Alok Harlalka. Mr. Javed Aslam. ठीक है. I would now request Mr. Naresh Kumar, Mr. Javed Aslam and Mr. Jay Bangani to please come on stage to felicitate on behalf of Kalyani Castech. Thank you so much, Ms. Ajay sir. ठीक है. Thank you, sir. I would now like to call upon stage Mr. Alok Halalka and Mr. Deepak Shah. Moving ahead, I would like to call upon stage Mr. Atul Vora for his remarkable efforts in this IPO. Karan, would you please join? Thank you, everyone. Now I would like to call upon stage the entire team of Gretex, corporate as well as Gretex share broking. Thank you, sir. I would now request Mr. Alok Halalka to please come forward to felicitate on behalf of Gretex Corporate Services Limited. Mr. Samir Patil. Mr. Ajay Thakur. Promoters of Kalyani Castech Limited, Mr. Naresh Kumar, Mr. Javed Aslam and Mr. Jay Bangani. I would also request Mr. Natmal Bangani to please join them. I would now call upon stage Mr. Atul Vora and Mr. Karan Atul Vora. Moving ahead, I would like to call upon stage the entire team of Kalyani Castech for their tremendous efforts. Thank you so much everyone for marking your presence on this milestone of Kalyani Castech Limited. I would now request everyone to please move forward for breakfast arranged in the adjacent hall. Thank you.